Hello? Yes, please, I need a RACD. My car is dying pretty high hill. Police or ambulance? No. No, I don't like police. RACD. What do you mean I'm a membership? Yes, I'm a citizenship. Yeah. My name? I am not the one sick, it's my car. My car is sick. I just drive in pretty high hill, then my car is stopped. It's died. I don't know. I don't know. Yesterday is not sick, and then I don't know if it is a heart or is a leg. I don't know. Please come in because the car is hot. My kiss is hot in the car. You don't understand my language. I am speaking in English. Please give me somebody in your shop. You don't know English. Huh? Car plate number. No, I don't know the day is my car is born. I don't know. I just see it. I bought it in the shop. I don't know which day is born. Did the car born? No. Plate number. No. I don't know. Please, your English is too hard. I need anyone in office. I drive my car, and then my car is stopped. I don't know what's wrong. Yes, I put the gas. No. Please, RACD. The car is hot now, and my kids in the car, and my friend in the car. We are hot. Yes. Address. My name. I